If you're not doing this business model right here coming into 2024, you're going to get severely left behind. What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. In today's video, I'm going to go over the business model that is creating multimillionaires right now, and it has been over the last 2 years. If you haven't heard of this business model, it's called white labeled SaaS, and SaaS stands for software as a service. We use a platform called HighLevel, and HighLevel allow you to take their entire software, white label, which means you upload your own logo on there and go out and sell that to businesses for whatever price you want. At the moment, I have around 40 clients paying between 97 and 497 every single month. The profit margins are above 95%, and your clients will be paying you directly to HighLevel. And as you can see over here, HighLevel have been kind enough to partner up with me recently to offer an extended 30-day completely free trial of HighLevel. So this gives you enough time to not only get it set up and try it out and everything, but it also gives you enough time to get those first few clients in the door so you can actually start generating revenue within those 30 days. So you don't even need to fork up any money up front. So that link will be in the first link down in the description. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly why you should sign up with this link, what it comes with, and how you can make the most out of it. But that's going to be the first link down in the description. So sign up for that, completely free. You get access to a ton of extra bonuses and resources, like of course, and everything like that. But I'll leave that to the end of the video just to explain exactly how it works. So this business model has been around for the last 2 or 3 years or so. And if you compare this to all those other business models out there like SMMA, which have been running for 6, 7, 8, 9 years, or even drop shipping, which has been around since 2015, 16 and around that area. This is the most unsaturated business model right now, and it just makes sense because it's literally the one with the highest profit margins. Over 95% profit margins. Compare that to SMMA, you got around 60% profit margins. Drop shipping, you got around 30% profit margins. That's why this business model makes sense. And in this video right here, I'm going to show you an exact game plan to how you can get those first few clients in the door. So as you can see over here, first step is to white label HighLevel. You're going to do that by signing up for that extended 30-day free trial on here. You white label it. It's pretty simple. You just upload your own logo on there. It takes around 30 seconds. This allows you to turn it into your software so your clients don't see anything to do with HighLevel. They see your software. And before you ask, yes, HighLevel will allow you to do this. That's why they have this plan that allows you exactly to do this. In fact, they want you to do this. That's why they do all of this. So there's two different routes here. You can either go for the local business route or the international business route, and both are as good. I recommend starting locally because the local businesses around your area are the people that actually trust you. You might have that local accent, or they might know you, or there might be some sort of family connection there or friend there. Whereas once you get those first few clients on, you're trying to expand and scale, then you can go for those international businesses. So it doesn't matter which route you go here. You can either go the local business or the international business. The next thing then is the reputation management, and reputation management is going to be your front end offer. So you're probably asking what reputation management is, and we're able to help these businesses bring in more positive Google reviews, but we're able to internalize and hide those negative reviews. This is extremely important for a lot of different businesses out there. I think restaurants and hotels and gyms, those businesses that are always dealing with a lot of people. There's so many different factors, different things that make people just leave a bad review. Like think hotels. If there's anything whatsoever wrong with a person and their hotel experience, they're going to leave a review about it, and it's obviously going to be negative. Let's just say, the food wasn't the best or the room wasn't the cleanest. So you're going to be pretty much at your first almost €1,000, pounds, dollars every single month. It's not the most difficult thing to do to get 10 clients actually paying you this, because you're going to be going after the local businesses. The trust is already there. You just sort of have to sell to them and show them exactly what it can do. You can go in with some examples of some of the local businesses around them that have a lot better reviews than them and why they need to step it up pretty much, and how you're going to be able to do that for them. So in a way, you're sort of creating a problem, but you're also becoming the solution to that problem right then and there. So once you have those 10 clients on, a few weeks or a few months down the line, you want to upsell them to the other features of HighLevel, like the CRM. This is a customer relationship manager. Here's how it looks. So anytime one of your clients bring in a lead, whether that's through the calendar or someone fills out a form on their website or even the chat widget on their website, they'll automatically populate right here. So this is my CRM right here. You got the call booked stage, you got the call scheduled to be finished, the no-shows, pretty much all those different stages that are in a customer cycle for your business. Salon, for example, you're able to set them up with call booked, showed up, didn't show up, whatever, all those good steps that, are able to help these businesses manage all the different leads and seeing where the people are dropping off on. And it's also a way for them to be able to predictably work out how much revenue is going to be coming in over the next few weeks to the next few months. So this is one of the big ones that you can upsell your clients to. And think about all those other CRMs out there, like you got HubSpot, they charge hundreds, sometimes thousands a month, depending on the amount of contacts in there and the amount of staff members. you're able to just include this for whatever price you want. And this is just one of the many things that you can offer these clients. You got email marketing in there as well. That is a part of the automations right here. We can go into that in another few videos, but you're pretty much able to go to your clients and help them market themselves through their email newsletter or their SMS newsletter. There's so many different ways that you can just help your clients. So that's why it just makes sense for them to pay you that monthly fee a month, whether that's going to be 97 or 250 a month or 497 or 500 a month, whatever your clients are going to be paying you, you need to make sure it's going to be worth it for them. So you need to offer a few of the main features. HighLevel does so many different things. It literally has so many features out there, but they're not all designed to be pitched to every single client. You know, out of maybe say 50 features, you want to offer them maybe 3 or 4 or even 10 if you want to go that far. But I like to usually offer 2 to 4 different features that these clients can use. So it's not just like a ton of work for them to figure out, because what I notice is the more features that you actually feed your clients and actually show them, the more confused they get, which just leads to them ultimately canceling, so you're not making any money off them. So once you've upsold these clients, they're probably going to be paying you between 300 and 500 every month. Maybe they're paying you 100 a month. Again, it completely depends. This is your business, and that's the best part about HighLevel is they don't tie you into anything. They don't make you charge any, a certain amount of money. You can charge them whatever you think is fit. So if you're just beginning, I like to go on, the lower side of things, whereas you've already worked with a lot of clients and you sort of realize that working with those lower ticket clients isn't really worth your time, then you can charge more on the higher end. But once you get enough clients paying you this every single month, that is now a 10K a month business. A lot of businesses out there, once they hit 10K a month, they pretty much just lose it all on the different profit margins and stuff. Again, like SMMA, if you have a 10K a month SMMA, you're probably only keeping around 6K of it. Whereas if you got a 10K a month dropshipping store, you might only be keeping 3 of it. So you're as well as just working a 9-to-5 job. On paper, you might have a 10K a month business, a 6-figure a year business. But if you're not actually keeping any of that money, then what's the point? So like I mentioned at the start of the video, there is that extended 30-day free trial down below. If you do sign up using this link down below, which is the first link down in the description, you'll get access to a ton of different bonuses. Not only will you get the full 30-day extended trial, but you also get access to my Start Your SaaS program. This is a course that's designed to take you from a complete beginner to 10K a month. Pretty much all the steps in here, it goes into this in a lot more detail, from even how to white label a software, how to get your first few clients in the door, how to reach out to these local businesses, how to set up all the different features for your clients. Pretty much the A to Z, complete beginner to 10K a month, it's all in there. So like I said, get signed up for that extended 30-day free trial link down below. You literally have nothing to lose. HighLevel don't tie you into anything whatsoever. So again, you'll find that link down below in the first link. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me out a ton, and we'll see you in the next video.